Hey y'all, in this lesson we are looking at arithmetic sequences. We want to be able to understand and represent arithmetic sequences. A sequence is a list of numbers that often forms a pattern. Each number in a sequence is a term. When the terms of a sequence differ by the same non-zero number we call d, we say this sequence is an arithmetic sequence, and we say that that number d is the common difference. Our essential question is, how are arithmetic sequences related to linear functions? Let's look at our first sequence here. We can see the table shows time and distances, time in seconds and distances in miles. So 5 seconds to go 1 mile, something is going very fast. And what we want to do is we want to look at how it is changing from one term to the next. So we look at it like this, and we can see that it is increasing by 0.2 each time we go over. So the distances in this table do form an arithmetic sequence with a common difference of 0.2. So again, because it has that same amount, it's an arithmetic sequence, and then that number, that amount, is our common difference, 0.2. Determine whether this sequence appears to be an arithmetic sequence, and if it is, find the common difference and the next three terms. So as we look from -4 to -2 to 1 to 5, we want to determine, is it increasing or decreasing by a common amount? As I see we're going from negative to positive, I'm looking for an amount that we're increasing by. From -4 to -2, we're increasing by 2. From -2 to 1, we're increasing by 3. And from 1 to 5, we're increasing by 4. These are not common, these are not the same number, so we do not have a common difference, and this is not an arithmetic sequence. You try. Determine if this similar sequence is arithmetic, and if it is, find the next three terms. You should find that this is an arithmetic sequence. We are decreasing by 3 each time, and so the next three terms are -8, -11, and -14. It is important to keep in mind that arithmetic sequences are linear. They can be represented by an equation in the form of y equals mx plus b. The slope is the common difference. The y-intercept is the first term minus the common difference. And the term number, or its position in the sequence, such as first, second, third, is the input, where the term itself is what we get out, or the output of the function. We can write a rule for a sequence because we know that they are linear. This sequence starts with a 3. The common difference from 1 to the next, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, we're adding 2. So the slope is 2. The y-intercept is 3 minus 2, which is 1. So the equation for this sequence is y equals 2x plus 1. This will give us any term in the sequence. If I wanted the 87th term, I would put in 87 for x. You try this one. Write an equation to represent the following sequence: 3, 7, 11, 15. You should get an equation for this to be y equals 4x minus 1. To summarize this lesson, an arithmetic sequence is a sequence of numbers that follows a pattern. The difference between two consecutive terms, terms right next to each other, is a constant called the common difference. Use the form of y equals mx plus b to write an equation. M is the common difference, and b is the first term minus the common difference. Your next steps are to submit your 10.1 notes, complete your Build 10.1 as part of your packet, and finally take the 10.1 mastery check. Good luck.